Hi, my name is Jagadish. I am currently pursuing Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science and Engineering at SNS College of Technology held in Coimbatore. Today, we are going to see about some important topics about deep learning and its concepts. Before going into the deep learning concept, now let's we see machine learning concept. Machine learning is a specific field of AI where a system learns to find patterns in examples in order to make predictions. Computers learning how to do a task without being explicitly programmed to do so. Machine learning can be classified into three types: reinforcement learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning can be classified into two types: clustering, dimensionality reduction. Clustering covers k means, mean shift, k melodies. Dimensionality reduction includes principal component analysis (PCA), feature selection, linear discriminant analysis (LDA). Supervised learning can be classified into two types: regression includes decision tree, linear regression, logistic regression. Classification: Navy Bayes SVM, K nearest neighbor. And now let we see deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning and artificial intelligence that imitates the way human gain certain types of knowledge. Deep learning is an important element of data science, which includes statistics and predictive modeling. It is extremely beneficial to data scientists who are tasked with collecting, analyzing, and interpreting large amounts of data. Deep learning makes this process faster and easier. And now let's see types of deep learning: feed forward neural network, radial basis function neural network, multi-layer perceptron, convolution neural network, recurrent neural network, modular neural network, sequence to sequence models. In feed forward neural network, we see a feed forward neural network is an artificial neural network wherein connections between the nodes do not form a cycle. As such, it is different from its descendant recurrent neural networks. The feed-forward neural network was the first and simplest type of artificial neural network devised. There are three layers in feed-forward neural network: input layer, hidden layer, output layer. And the next type is radial basis function neural networks. 8 radial basis function networks are available. Radial basis function (RBF) networks are a commonly used type of artificial neural network for function approximation problems. An RBF network is a type of feed-forward neural network composed of three layers, namely the input layer, the hidden layer, and the output layer. The given diagram represents the structure of RBF networks. The expression for the RBF network is f of x equal to summation f equal to 1 to infinity w3 h3 into x. H of x equal to expression minus of x minus 3 c whole square by r square. And the next type is multilayer perceptron. A multilayer perceptron MLP is a class of feed-forward artificial neural network ANN. MLP utilizes a supervised learning technique called backpropagation for training. Its multiple layers and nonlinear activation distinguish MLP from a linear perceptron. It can distinguish data that is non-linearly separatable. This also have three layers: input layer, hidden layer, output layer. Input layer consists of three pods and the hidden layer also consists of three pods. Output layer consists of two parts only. Input layer gets the inputs and hidden layer processes the inputs, and output layer dis- gives the output of the processed input. This is the multi-layer perceptron. In this video, we discussed about the deep learning and its concept. The deep learning types are discussed very elaborately in this video. Thanks for watching.